The number of births in June surged more than 15% year on year, marking the highest growth rate to date and the largest tally for the month since 1992, according to the Ministry of Data and Statistics.
올해 국내 6월 출생아 수가 작년 같은 달보다 15% 이상 급증하며 역대 최고 증가율을 기록했고 증가 규모도 1992년 이후 가장 큰 것으로 나타났습니다. Tell us more.
Yeah, so 23,111 babies were born in June. That is up by 15.6% from June of last year. So that is the biggest month since 1992, going way back. And so birth rates are up, especially this year and certainly in the month of June in particular.
그래요. 6월 출생아 수가요. 23,111명이었습니다. 작년 같은 달에 비해서 3,000명 이상 늘었어요. 퍼센티지로 보면은 15.6%인데 이런 증가율은 통계 작성 이래 1981년 이래 역대 최고치를 기록했고요. 증가 규모는 또 92년 이후 가장 많았습니다. This is very good news because we don't have enough babies.
Absolutely. And also, there were a total of 21,075 couples who got married in June as well. That is an increase of 14% from the year before. So perhaps a year and 2 years from now, maybe we'll have more babies as well.
Exactly. I mean, we have under one in terms of the numbers of babies born per person, per woman, I should say. And we're hoping that figure will go up slightly by the end of this year. If it reaches 0.9, that'll be the highest in 7 years.
Yeah.
So
we're getting there. I think 0.88 is where we're at now. So we do need a little bit more to get there. And also the number of deaths in June rose by 2% to 27,794. So population decline is happening as well.
Yeah, definitely. 그래요. 합계 출산율 같은 경우에는 6월 달에 0.88명이었는데요. 이제 올해 말쯤 돼서 연간 합계 출산율이 집계가 되잖아요. 그때 이게 한 7년 만에 0.9를 돌파할 수 있지 않을까 이런 기대감이 지금 생기고 있습니다. 자, 표현을 보겠습니다. The first one is something to date.
Something to date is a term we'll use when we're counting or looking at figures up to a certain point. And what point is that? It's up until now. So to essentially, if you have the date being a number, then it's going to that date. If it's up to now, then it could be literally up to this point. So you're talking about a time period.
그렇죠. 지금까지라는 뜻인데요. 아까 얘기했던 이제 출생아 수의 증가율 같은 경우에 15%가 넘었다고 했는데요. 이게 지금까지에 집계된 데이터 중에서는 가장 큰 퍼센티지입니다. 근데 물론 몇 달 후, 몇 년 후에 더 큰 퍼센티지가 나올 수 있으니까 그런 걸 열어두는 거예요. 그래서 to date, up until now, this is the biggest percentage. What's a tally, Jason?
A tally is a count. So if you're tallying, I don't know, maybe vote results, or you're tallying how many tickets you sold, then you're counting up the number of something. And it's, I guess it could be a large or small amount, but I feel like we're usually talking about larger numbers.
Yeah, exactly. tally라는 거는요, 숫자를 기록하는 겁니다. 숫자를 이렇게 세는 거, 그런 걸 다 tally, 명사로서 이제 그런 집계를 tally라고 하고, 세는 것을 tallying이라는 동사로 표현을 할 수가 있어요. 그리고 여러 번 언급하긴 했는데 이제 우리나라에서는 tally할 때 5개씩 숫자를 발을 정자, 그 한자를 써서 이렇게 쓰는데 네, 영어권 국가에서는요. 세로로 된 짝대기 4개, 그다음에 이제 대각선 짝대기 하나 이렇게 해가지고 5개씩 묶어서 tally하는 건 똑같지만 하는 방식이 좀 다르죠.
Yeah, absolutely.
네.
Yeah, I remember the first time I saw people counting that way.
Yeah.
Yo, what is
What is
that?
that? It's very pretty, but what is it?
Yeah, but
So,
and the key is, I mean, even if it's written small or you're looking at it from far away, you know if you know the
Yeah.
pattern,
Yes.
then you know exactly how many it is.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter which language you speak, Korean
Yeah.
or English. We like to count in fives.
Yes.
Because that's the easiest. That's how we tally. 자, 그럼 다시 한번 읽어보겠습니다. The number of births in June surged more than 15% year on year, marking the highest growth rate to date and the largest tally for the month since 1992, according to the Ministry of Data and Statistics. Let's move on to the next headline.